unboxing the Logitech M575 Wireless Trackball. I've always wanted one of these. I'm very excited about this. So basically, if you're a neat freak, you're going to want to score here, here from the side, and then here from the top. What that's going to do is allow you to open this neatly. Okay. Also be aware that this plastic hangy thingy comes out, so if you don't want to tear this cardboard, you know, you got a little bit OCD. Yeah, you know me. Then this is nice. Okay, so this is good packaging. This comes like this. Pull out. You can see that like the instructions are tucked in on the side. An oddly satisfying video. There's nothing left in the box. There's nothing left in the box. If you're into ASMR. All right, could open it from the bottom too. It looks like I didn't do that. All right, there's a little tab here. It looks like a little paper tab. I love it. No excessive plastic, right? Turn it around. Easy switch, Bluetooth, or you can use the dongle for all right. This is great. Simple instructions. It shouldn't be that hard, right? But here, let's take a look at the bottom. Looks like there's already a battery in here, so that's nice. Plus the dongle's in here. So you could just pull this out and you'd probably be ready to use. I'm going to go ahead and open this. It comes with a Duracell battery. How about that? I'm going to go ahead and take out the little plasticky paper thing that's supposed to hold this in place so that the battery doesn't lose. And here's the place where the dongle rests, just like most mouses or mice. You have a little place where you can keep that. There's some writing on the front of this too. Interesting. So the specs are on the front. Oh, there's writing on the back. Cool. And then you're ready to rock and roll. So we can hit this off switch. That's your basic unboxing video. I'm gonna hook this up. When I do that, I'll make another video about that. Very excited about this. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your thumb to move the cursor around the screen. So you don't have to have a lot of area for a mouse pad on your, you know, say you're on an airplane, right? Say you're in a cubicle and you're like in really tight quarters. Nice thing too is like this is on an angle, so for carpal tunnel, this is going to be really nice. You know, looks like I've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. It's like this button. Not terrible. Very good. All right. That's your unboxing video. If this was helpful to you, please smash like. If you liked it, smash like. And if you have any questions, I'll see you on the next one when I